Mermaid makeup. Of course, because it's a summer look, we wanted to keep a very simple makeup, but we wanted to have a touch of color. It's Tilt, it's a high pigment loose powder, and we use that on the top lids and the bottom lids. And then what we did to reinforce the look is to use this beautiful cyan blue, and that goes inside the eye. It's very creamy, very intense, so it just helps you pop the blue. And then for the lip, we're just using lip gloss, which is a very, beautiful, fresh element. I think it's just beautiful. I think that's the key for summer, not to make your makeup look heavy. You want to keep maybe one element or two, and it's very, very, very simple.